Good morning, everybody. This is South Stream News Weekly here, and we're just out for a walk, and we're going to have a quick look at a motor in an old vehicle here that I kind of enjoy. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my newly started playlist. Everything in this baby's heavy duty. A lot of this stuff, I don't know what it's even for. That thing there, I'm not sure. I know what that is. That's part of the steering. This is gas. I've heard it run. It sounds like a monster truck engine. That's how loud it is. It could probably be reworked. I'm sure. But who knows what it would take. So, that's it for now, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's going to rain here today, thunder showers. So I got to get going here while the going's good. So have a great day. I'm sure I will. So long, guys.